Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Let's get cooking. So today we are making chocolate chip cheesecake cookies. Basically these are all the ingredients you will need. Pour your flour. This is about 2 cups of flour. Add your salt and your baking soda. Mix this up. Next, grab your butter. Add your brown sugar and your white sugar. Mix this till it is completely creamed. Once it's creamed, crack in your egg, just 1 egg. Add your vanilla extract and mix this again. Once that's all mixed up, add your flour. And I would add it maybe a little bit at a time and mix it. Next, get your chocolate chip and fold it. And while you're doing this, go ahead and make sure that your oven is preheated to 350 degrees. Okay, this is done. Set this aside and let's make the cream cheese filling. For cream cheese, make sure it's at room temperature. Crack your egg. Add your sugar, it's about 3 tablespoons, and your vanilla extract. Mix this together. Now grab a 9 by 9 inch baking pan and line it up with foil paper. Spray it. If you don't have a 9 by 9, you can either use an 8 by 8 or a 10 by 10 or something bigger, but then you will have to bake it either more minutes or less minutes depending on the size of the pan that you are using. Next, grab 2/3 of your cookie mixture, spread it at the bottom of the pan, make sure that it is evenly layered. Next, grab your cheesecake mixture and spread that evenly on top of your cookie batter. Then with clean hands, grab the other remaining cookie batter and just crumble it all over the top of the cream cheese mixture. This goes in the oven for 40 minutes. So here is your chocolate chip cheesecake cookies all ready. It looks so pretty. Once it's completely cooled, you can cut this and enjoy. Thank you so much for watching that video. I hope you loved it. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and share this video. And I'll see you next time right here on EstherDees Kitchen. Bye.